pakaian kita tidak terhad. Maknanya itu individu kan. Tapi kalau kita Islam nak masuk, kita harus sediakan yang tutup aurat, abaya yang tutup aurat. Tapi setakat ini tidak adalah pakaian yang tutup mata.
Apple cider, but your hair is smelling like fruit punch, and I don't even like you that much. Wait, I did fuck.
So the culture that teacher choose is about Malay culture. Malay culture we focus mosque. Did you guys know mosque? Masjid, tahu tak masjid? Tak tahu. Ni masjid. Pernah nampak tak? Pernah? Okay. Baju kurung. And then baju kurung is clothes. Okay? And then but the fish you put here. Okay, you understand how to play this game? You understand? Okay, it's okay. Teacher will help you. Oh.